Guys, so nag-i-start na po tayo. So, I feel like I'm in the real spa. Kasi it's so great. My mom is schooling for that. So, let's get started. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Si Isin again. So ngayon, ang gagawin po natin guys is gagawa po tayo ng body scrub. Nakabili na po kami kahapon ng mga items. So, gagamitin po natin is oatmeal, olive oil, at saka honey. And let's start it! So guys, nag-start na po tayo. Ito po yung nabili namin. At ito po is oatmeal. So let's gonna start. 1, 2, 3. Guys, sorry, nagkamali ako. Ang gagamitin lang po natin is itong oatmeal and olive oil and a bath soap. So let's start. Akong maligo at sasabihin ko po sa inyo yung feeling later. See you guys! So guys, tapos na po kami sa oatmeal bath. So,
How did you feel with the oatmeal bath?
it feels so good. And I love it. My skin is smooth. Pero kanina kasi guys, dry yung skin ko. Ngayon, smooth na siya.
Bakit nagda-dry yung skin mo?
Kasi fall na guys, madali na pong ma-dry yung face. Kaya, dry yung skin ko.
Okay.
Malapit na po kasi kaming mag-winter dito. So, yan. Tapos, ngayon, gagawin na po namin is yung pipino, igaganto sa mukha ko.
So, facial?
So, facial, pipino.
Okay.
So, let's start, guys. So, nag-i-start na po tayo. So, I feel like I'm in the real spa. Kasi it's so great. My mom is schooling for that. So, let's get started. Let's start. Oh my God. I'm so good. So, guys, mamaya po, bibigyan pa po natin si mama. It's so lamig. Tapos si mama naman po yung neck. Yeah. I feel like I'm eating it. Yummy. So, we're just gonna look for the headband. Wait. Okay, so, nakita na po ni mama yung
Kasi mga baby bangsit.
Oh, Um, So guys, tapos na pa yung 5 minutes. I can wash my face. Wait until I'm done, guys. So guys, it feels so good. You have to try this. You have to blender it. You have to get pepino. You have to chop it in circle, okay? So wait until Mama's done, okay? Okay guys, so si Mama naman po. So,
Mama's turn.
Mama's buntis.
You don't put on top of my eyelid.
Guys, am I doing well? Comment down below.
Cool. Oh, make sure it doesn't go on your papa's pillow.
Oh my gosh! Hello, dito na! Ang ganda. Ba't ka gawa ganyan?
Wala.
So let's put here, then that. Let's put it here. Kasi yung supas yung nilalagay ko.
You have to be careful.
Okay.
Yung mga buo-buo ang ilagay mo.
Okay.
Not the juice. No, mahapdi sa mata pala.
Oh, sorry. Bawal?
Hindi naman, pero mahapdi. Or malamig lang. Hindi siya mahapdi, pero malamig siguro.
Oops.
What are you doing to me, madam?
Sorry, comment down below if I'm doing good, guys. If no, comment down below. This is good.
Bebe?
So guys, tapos na po kami mag-facial. Comment down below kung sino yung mas maganda. At don't forget this thing too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notification
Bell.
Bell. So, ito na po ang
Finish.
finished product namin.
Product.
Finished skincare po namin.
Yeah. We will share more of our skincare.
Tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. Some other time. Not tomorrow.
Because tomorrow we have school.
Yeah.
And Daddy
And we're
just
gonna do it with Papa soon.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys.
See you next